everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Darwin's new notification features to streamline your workflow. When you're logged into the platform, you'll notice that whenever a conversation is assigned to you or you're mentioned in a note, an unread notification alert will appear at the top. By clicking that alert, the notification drawer will automatically slide out from the right, landing you directly on the Pending Notifications tab. Simply click on the notification and you'll be instantly redirected to the specific conversation that needs your attention. If you open the panel and don't have any unread alerts, it will default to the All Notifications tab, where you can browse through your entire history of assignments and mentions. You also have full control over these alerts by heading into your settings. In the Notifications section, you can manually toggle alerts for note mentions or chat assignments on or off, ensuring you only get notified about what matters most to your daily tasks. I hope this summary helps you make the most of Darwin's resources. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you next time.